welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, over a year. That last video I did of the reviewing that sensational wig, I was actually about 2 months pregnant with my daughter, so I had her, took a long break, and now I'm back finally. So today I'm just gonna be doing an unboxing video for y'all, and the company that I decided to go with was ISEE Hair, and I actually purchased them off Amazon. Purchased the wig off Amazon. I actually didn't realize Amazon sold human hair till maybe within this past year. I kept seeing reviews and I said, oh, they sell hair. So I said, is it decent quality? I was just wondering. So I kept seeing, and now I'm seeing people saying, you know, they having good experiences with it. So I said, well, let me try some. And I said, at least I'm a Prime member, so if anything went wrong, at least you protected under their guarantee. Let me get into the specs of the wig. So I ordered a Brazilian straight 150% density 4x4 closure wig. Okay. I paid a total of $168.53, and that's including tax. This is the box it came in. Cute little box, I think. They sent me, let's see. Of course, they sent the wig, they wrapped it, they put a little net in it, and then they sent in a little bag. Which I thought was good. I thought was nice to protect it. Says 24 inches there. It's straight. They also sent the usual wig caps. You get 2 of them in here. I had just actually bought some, so I mean, you can always use them though, so that was good. And then I got this card. And their info in the back. So I thought they would maybe send me some lashes at least, or something. I saw a few people getting lashes, like free lashes with their package, but I guess that's just, I'm not sure, is that something that maybe comes with if you order from their official website, or maybe with AliExpress, but it didn't come with the Amazon, at least my Amazon order. So maybe you could comment down below if you order from them and they sent something else or it's different, just out of curiosity. But that's what I got. That's what I got with my package. So now I'm gonna get into the actual wig. I'll just take the net off. And by the way, I did open it or everything. Yeah, I just wanted to check. I couldn't wait. I had to see what was going on. So I checked it out, and this is what it's looking like. So you got your 4x4 closure, and then 24 inches. And I did measure it. It's very true to length. It seemed like it was a little bit longer. I could be wrong, but it did actually seem just slightly longer. Let's see. I did the burn test. If you don't know what that is, that's where you just test to make sure it is human hair. I just plucked a few strands from the wig and then lit a match to it, and if it travels really fast up the hair and like crumbles to ash, that means it is human hair. If it were to like melt into like a plastic looking substance and look sticky and it doesn't turn to ash, that means you got a synthetic wig. So that was good to know it passed that test. I did curl a piece. If I can find it, let me see if I can. Oh, there it is. Okay, so It's not very curled anymore because I kept running my fingers through it. It's just this little piece right here. But I did try curling it and it held a curl. It was really tight when I did it, so I just was experimenting, just seeing if it could hold a curl. But it looks like it's gonna be some really pretty curls. There'll be a video on that too, me styling the hair and customizing everything. Let's see, what else? Smell. It did not have a smell. I was so glad because the last hair I ordered, it was a terrible chemical smell and I couldn't get rid of it no matter what, and I still can't get rid of that smell to this day. So this, it was nice to see it didn't have that bad, I don't know what they be doing to the hair, but it didn't have that smell. It had more of just a regular package smell. I don't know how you would describe it, but it wasn't nothing bad or noticeable. So that's good. I have not washed the hair. I have not done anything to it except the things I mentioned. So far, shedding, I've only gotten maybe 3 strands total, just running my fingers through and testing it like normal. That I didn't get anything. As you can see, it doesn't tangle. So far so good. I'm kind of holding my breath to see how it's gonna hold up. So we'll see. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to come on here to show you the hair and show you what it was about. I plan to dye it jet black and use the watercolor method. I'm actually gonna use Ivy's method. If you haven't heard about it, it's where she took the Got To Be spray. It helps not tint your lace. So I'll link her channel below, but that's the method I'm gonna be using to dye my hair jet black. So stay tuned for that. And then that's about it. All I can think of. Shipping, like as I said, I'm a Amazon Prime member, so it got to me in exactly 2 days. I thought it was gonna be late because of the holiday, because my notification actually said it would be here Friday. I was like, man, but it came on Thursday. I was really excited about that. So that's pretty much it. What I did want to know out of curiosity was if anybody has ordered from ISEE Hair, tell me if you've ordered from, which source have you ordered from? Have you ordered from AliExpress, Amazon, or their official site? And tell me if the hair is any different. Like, did you have like a bad experience, a really good experience, or did it matter? Have you purchased from both maybe? I'm just curious to see, is their quality consistent? So yeah, but I'll be back and see you in my next video then.